and there's no way I can recommend this watch to anyone. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna take a look at this watch. We're gonna also talk about some things that I think this watch is doing well, but in general, there's no way I can recommend this to anyone, and I'll tell you why. Let's get down to it. First of all, allow me to move the hands to 10-10. Have you ever noticed that a lot of pictures of watches online have the watch on 10-10? And that is because that is the best way to showcase the entire dial without the hands actually hiding like important things. Why would I not recommend this watch to anyone? It is loud. The movement on this watch, I do not know what is the movement on this watch, but it is so loud. So loud that if you wear it at home, you're gonna hear it. And there is no way you can put this watch at your bedside table and sleep well. That is the biggest reason why I would not recommend this watch. 39.8 millimeters case width, 47.9 millimeters on the lug to lug, 9.5 millimeters on the case thickness, and the lug width is 20 millimeters. It is water resistant up to 50 meters. The case is not stainless steel. This is not the industry standard L316 stainless. They call it low lead brass, and it's a polished finish. So brass is good because it can be molded easily, but it's not stainless steel. Stainless steel is higher quality. The finishing overall is decent. It's a polished case with polished lugs. There is no complication here. So the case back is a standard case back with Timex branding. The crown is signed. I like the crown, but that dial, if you take a look at it, it actually mimics the dial of the Omega Seamaster 300. Almost copy pasted that watch. The piece of crystal here is mineral crystal. You're not gonna get any sapphire with this. You notice I put it on this strap, and this is what is called a bond NATO strap. I just think it gives it a little bit more of an interesting vibe. The strap it comes with is this one. I put it on another Timex, by the way. Leather in the bottom and then textile at the top. It has the Timex signature on the glass. It also has these quick releases, which means that you don't need the tool, you just release it like this, which is pretty cool. So as I said, movement is unknown and it's very loud, and that is one of the reasons why I cannot recommend this watch. Second reason is that the case is brass, and I don't know how it works with allergies and stuff like that, and resistance to elements. For me, if the case is not stainless steel, it's not worth it. Apparently the Amazon price in the UK is £90, and I find it hard to pay that price, to be honest, for this watch. There are a lot of better alternatives out there. Definitely skip this one. But if you want the design of the Omega Seamaster 300 for cheap price with a very known brand with the history of Timex, then just go ahead. And if you get this one, I highly recommend to put it on this strap. Like, I had a lot of compliments, although it's not like a fancy or luxury watch, but I had a lot of compliments just because of this strap. At this point, you're asking, how does it wear? It wears like any other 40 millimeter watch. It's very comfortable, especially on this strap here. 48 millimeters lug to lug is perfect for me, but for me, this is not the watch. I much prefer this one. Difference in the price is not that high. If I want to get a Timex, I will get something like this other than something like this. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you make a better purchasing decision, check the review I did about this watch. I'm gonna link it here. And also like the video and subscribe if you want to. Thank you, and we'll talk to you in the next one.